Every restaurant has a different version of this moment. When someone asks something like, "Is this still accurate?" And the honest answer is, it depends on where you're looking. Restaurants change their menus all the time, not just quarterly or yearly or seasonally, all the time. And most of the changes sound small. We're just adjusting the price. Now, we just had to change out one ingredient. We're pulling this item for now. It feels simple, but anyone who's actually lived it knows what simple really means. One small update means someone edits the printed menu, someone updates the PDF, someone changes the website, someone tells the staff, someone reminds the kitchen, and someone answers questions about it all night. You hear, "Oh yeah, that's the new price. We don't have that tonight." It's the same dish, just without the sauce. The change happened once, but it has to be remembered everywhere. And this is where inconsistency shows up. The printed menu says one thing, the website says something slightly different, and the training manual definitely hasn't caught up yet. The staff knows because they've learned which version to trust, based on experience, not certainty. That works until it doesn't. You hear, "I think that's updated. I'm pretty sure it's the new version. Let me double check." It's not because anyone's careless, it's because the system fragmented the truth. Now the answers live in multiple places. Every disconnected update adds extra questions, extra explanations, extra interruptions, and extra stress. None of it shows up cleanly on a report, but it's very visible on the floor, especially during a rush. When systems don't stay in sync, the people become the glue. Servers memorize updates, managers clarify intent, and cooks confirm what's current mid-plate. You hear, "Just remember it this way now. I'll remind everyone again. We'll fix it later. We don't have time right now." That works, but only because people are compensating for a system that can't keep itself aligned. Updating once and updating everywhere isn't about speed. It's about trust. It means there's one source of truth, one place where everything gets updated, one place where all the changes are made and everything else gets updated automatically. When that happens, people stop second guessing. They stop translating, compensating. They just do their job. The bigger the operation, the harder it gets to keep all of this information up to date. More locations, more staff, more versions, and more menus. Small inconsistencies turn into constant noise. The only way to quiet that noise is to stop spreading the truth in places that can't stay aligned. Restaurants don't struggle with change, they struggle with propagating change. When update has to be manually remembered everywhere, people pay the price. But when updates happen once and are reflected everywhere automatically, the system carries the load instead of the people. That's when operations start to feel lighter.